Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gula Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss comparison of adjective. So, let's start. So your chapter number 11 and name of chapter is comparison of adjectives. Read these sentences. Arnav is a tall boy. Arnav's mother is taller than Arnav. Arnav's father is the tallest. So you have given three sentences. In the first sentence, the adjective tall tells us about a quality of Arnav. It is in the positive degree. In the second sentence, the adjective taller makes a comparison between Arnav and his mother. This is the comparative degree. And adjective tallest helps us compare the height of two or more people. So this is a superlative form. An adjective in the positive degree is changed into its comparative and superlative form. So, you have given three columns. First is positive, second is comparative, third is superlative degree. Yes. Tall, taller, tallest. Slow, slower, slowest. Big, bigger, biggest. Safe, safer, safest. Now dropping the y and adding ier and iest. For example, happy, happier, happiest. We have removed y and have added ier and iest. Busy, busier, busiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Funny, funnier, funniest. Now adding more and most. For example, important, more important, most important. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Now next rule is some adjectives don't follow any rules when take on the comparative and superlative degree. For example, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, much, more, most, many, more, most. So these words don't follow any rules when taking on the comparative and superlative degree. Now come to the exercise. Let's start. Complete the table. You have to fill some positive degrees, comparative and also superlative degree. First, fine. Fine is positive degree, comparative degree is finer, superlative is finest. Comparative degree of sweet is sweeter, superlative is sweetest. Positive degree of angrier is angry and superlative is angriest. Comparative degree of cool is cooler, superlative degree is coolest. Comparative degree of warm is warmer, warmer. Okay, you will add er. Warm, warmer, warmest. Next is positive degree of richest is rich, comparative degree is richer and superlative degree is richest. Positive degree of smartest is smart, then comparative degree is smarter. Now more famous is given, so positive degree is famous and superlative degree is most famous. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Simple, simpler, simplest. Now come to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks using comparative forms of adjectives in this bracket. So let's start. Tannu is a blank tennis player than her brother. So comparative degree of good is better. Be a little blank while crossing the street. So comparative degree of careful is more careful. Jack is blank than Jane. Comparative degree of intelligent is more intelligent. I am blank than my sister. So I am older than my sister. Deepa's hair is longer than mine. Minnie is taller than Monu. Come to the next. Nicole are blank than John did. So less. Nicole ate less than John did. I have read blank books than you. So comparative degree of many is more. Cinderella was blank than her sisters, more beautiful. The roads in villages are blank than the roads in the cities, narrower. Now next exercise is use these words to make sentences using the correct degree of comparison. One has been done for you. Students, we will do this exercise in our CW copy. Now come to the last exercise of this chapter. Rewrite these sentences correctly. So first is dogs are popular than cats as pets. So dogs are more popular than cats as pets. Students, we will also remove er. Okay, you will remove er. Elephants are the most heavy animals. So this is wrong. So we will remove most and also we will remove heavy and we will write here heaviest. Her house is biggest than mine. So biggest is wrong. Bigger is right. A meter is little than a kilometer. Then is given, so that's why we have to use here comparative degree. So comparative degree of little is less. Japanese is difficult than French. So comparative than is given, so we have to add here comparative degree more difficult. You are most polite than Jane. So than is given, it means we have to fill here comparative degree. So that's why we have added more. He is the smart boy in the whole class. So the is given, it means we have to add here superlative degree smartest. Now eighth is this is the better film I have ever seen. So the is given, it means we have to add superlative degree. So superlative degree is best. Jupiter is the bigger planet in the solar system. So the is given, it means we have to add superlative degree of bigger. It is biggest. Now 10th is the Pacific Ocean is deepest than Atlantic Ocean. So than word is given, that's why we have to add here comparative degree. Now let's revise this chapter. So students, we have read about the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So what is positive degree? Positive degree is the simplest form, okay, simple form of the adjective, just like tall. And now what is comparative degree? Comparative degree is used when we compare between two थिंग्स. ओके, जब हम बेटा दो लोगों के बीच में कंपेयर करते हैं देन वी विल यूज़ कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. एंड इन कंपैरेटिव सेंटेंस you will always see than word. ओके, हमेशा बेटा कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में पहचानने का यही तरीका है कि इसमें देन वर्ड आता है, इससे इसे पहचाना जा सकता है। ओके, नाउ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, सुपरलेटिव इज अ डिग्री विच इज़ यूज टू कंपेयर मोर देन टू पर्सन और थिंग। दो से ज़्यादा लोगों के बीच में बेटा अगर कंपेयर किया जाता है तो वो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री होती है। और इसको पहचानने का तरीका ये है कि जो भी सुपरलेटिव डिग्री होगी उससे पहले द का यूज़ होगा। इट मीन्स द, वहीं से पहचान जाना कि हमें यहाँ पे सुपरलेटिव डिग्री का यूज़ करना है। So students, in this video lecture I have told you about the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. In the next video class we will discuss about the some another exercise of the coming chapter. Till then you will fill this book and also you will complete your HW copy at your home. So goodbye everyone.